Hosted by a fully accredited vocational school, Summer Discovery at Old Colony provides a week-long experience of various technical and athletic programs for middle school students. Taught by professionals in their trades, each session gives campers valuable insight into their fields of interest. From art to athletics, there is an experience for everyone on this 80-acre campus.
I'm having a lot of fun doing creative media. I haven't done stop motion in a while. And yes, I do want to come back next year.
Besides technical skills, what does this experience teach these students?
I think it teaches them what Old Colony is all about, how to work as a team, how to communicate. It gives them a little bit of an experience of what it's like to be part of the Old Colony family. It's really a tight-knit group. Everybody's here to help each other, and I think the most exciting part here is to see the players, the older players, working with the younger kids, making sure all of them achieve some level of success, making sure everybody's having fun. I think it brings out the best in everybody, and everyone's having a lot of fun, and it's been awesome so far.
Connect, create, inspire. Summer Discovery at Old Colony.